Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Old Navy credit card account using your desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you would like to manage your Old Navy credit card account using your desktop, then here's how to do it. Open up a web browser. In the address field at the top of the screen, type in Old Navy credit card login and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the next page where all of the search results are displayed according to your search. Click on this first link that says check icon synchrony. If you click on that, you'll be redirected to this page over here and you'll be able to see a login portal displayed in the middle of the screen. Go ahead and type in your user ID. In order to access your account, make sure to type in your information correct and head over to the next field where it says password. Type in your password. Make sure to double check your password by clicking on the show link or the eye icon at the right corner. If you want the system to remember your user ID so that next time you won't have to type in again and again with the particular device, click on Remember User ID box. But make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public device or a shared computer. In case you don't remember your user ID, you can click on I forgot my user ID link. Similarly, in case you've forgotten your password, click on the password link beneath the secure login button and follow the instructions to look for either of them. If you're not registered for online banking access for your Old Navy credit card account, then you can click on this register link and follow the instructions. Finally, after typing in your credentials correct, click the secure login button and you'll be logged into your Old Navy credit card account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos again. Thank you for watching.